A timber high-rise in Portland? The construction cost index goes up and West Linn puts out a bid for debris removal. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Sean Tolan and you're watching Construction Business TV, Portland, Oregon. If this is your first time here, thanks for watching, and we will be bringing you the timber high-rise story, the industry analysis reports, and job bidding report. First though, Construction Business TV is your news and information source for all things related to the building trades community, and we're here to serve you. While you're here, feel free to hit the like and subscribe button to stay in the loop on all the information affecting the Portland building trades community. Now for our weekly jobs report. McCullough Construction is hiring laborers in the Portland area. In their posting on Simply Hired, they are looking for demolition, site cleanup, landscaping, hardscaping, painting, driving vehicles for the company fleet, and skilled labor. They state candidates can expect exposure to framing, finish carpentry, concrete forming and finishing, masonry, painting, heavy equipment operation, and more. The link to apply for Simply Hired is in the description below. And if you're hiring, please feel free to comment below. We would love to include you in one of our jobs reports. Now, moving along. ODOT posted on their website that Interstate 5 is paving from I-205 to Wilsonville. According to their project description, ODOT is repaving 5 miles of I-5 between the I-205 interchange and the Boone Bridge over the Willamette River. Through May 1st, traffic impacts include nighttime lane closures on I-5 between the Willamette River and Ellickson Road Monday through Saturday nights. Lane and ramp closures will also be at night between 8 p.m. and 5 a.m. Now for our featured stories. Go. The city of West Linn is taking bids on a wood chip removal project. This is a great opportunity for contractors out there. The wood chip removal and disposal project requires the loading, hauling, and disposal of debris chips located at Mary S. Young State Park in West Linn, Oregon. Approximately 8,000 cubic yards of debris are to be removed and disposed of at a permitted facility in accordance with all applicable state and federal rules and regulations. You can learn more about this project by visiting the links below. Moving along. Mortenson released their construction cost index for Q1 of 2021. They're an industry analysis firm that engages in capital project planning and much more, folks. In a report on their website, the Mortenson Cost Index is showing a single quarter increase of nearly 5% in construction costs nationally and 3% in Portland. Over the last 12 months, overall building costs on projects have increased 6.7% nationally and 5.3% in Portland. This is putting a strain on our contractors. Raw material shortages and manufacturing issues have contributed to sharp increases in the building materials costs over the past year and for overall project costs. As markets rebound with increased private and government spending, the industry may see an additional upward pressure on pricing. According to another industry analysis firm, Jones Lang LaSalle, they state commercial real estate and construction costs continue to grow nationwide. Consequently, many landlords are looking to redevelop existing stock in major markets. They go on to say, furthermore, the focus on tenant improvements, TIs, is also gaining momentum as a result of the urban renewal trend, which, according to JLL, is driven by millennial demand for the city center, as well as unique and open spaces. Considering the elements of design, architecture, construction, furniture, fixtures, IT implementation, and more, the average cost to build out a new office space is around $196 per square foot. Now, this is commercial real estate, folks. The tenant improvement allowances, those TIs, allow office space to be built as low as $85 per square foot. Now, moving along, it's important to note that looking at construction costs alone will not provide you with the most accurate information. For the true cost of a build out, you need to consider the tenant improvement allowances. These are just a couple of the many industry analysis reports out there, but they come from respected firms. We would love to hear from you. What are you seeing out there that are effective cost-cutting measures or trends in this climate and in the market? We have been reporting on these industry changes every single week, and we will continue to keep you posted as we get more information. Now, we're pulling one from the archives on this report, folks. A wooden skyscraper? A timber-built high-rise? Typically, wooden buildings are only 1 to 2 stories, but Portland broke the mold. Back in 2016, Architectural Digest reported on a project in Portland that was a high-rise constructed solely of wood. The framework was the name of a building to be made with cross-laminated timber beams, and here, researchers at Portland State University tested beams in November 2016. It had an innovative design. The structure was centered around a visible vertical core and capped with the roof deck framed by wood columns. They stated it was flexible, sturdy, and lighter than materials like concrete or steel, and that timber has a high strength to weight ratio. This project was canceled in 2018 due to a funding shortfall, but another project seems to have taken its place. There was another building called Carbon 12 that was eventually constructed in Portland's Elliott neighborhood. It has an 8-story structure built with Oregon-made cross-laminated timber and became the tallest wood building in the United States upon its completion. It was designed, developed, and built by Ben Kaiser Path Architecture and the Kaiser Group Incorporated using CLT panels made by Structureland. It is named after the atomic weight of carbon, as the carbon footprint was stated to be one of the primary motivators to choose timber. It's advertised to be one of the most efficient and environmentally friendly wooden buildings in the US. We just thought it was an interesting story considering those lumber prices today. I mean, oh my goodness. Would these projects be possible or even conceived in our current market? I mean, what do you guys think? Let us know. You can review both reports more in depth in the links provided in the description. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching Construction Business TV Portland, and have an amazing day.